The braking system in a car is a crucial mechanism that slows down or stops the vehicle by converting kinetic energy into heat. It primarily involves brake pads pressing against rotors to create friction. When the driver steps on the brake pedal, it activates a master cylinder that pumps hydraulic fluid through the brake lines, engaging the brake pads against the rotors, which generates friction and slows the car down. In modern vehicles, many are equipped with an anti-lock braking system that prevents the wheels from locking up during sudden stops, allowing for better control and shorter stopping distances. Understanding the difference between disc brakes and drum brakes is important. Disc brakes are generally more efficient, while drum brakes can provide good performance in certain applications, such as in the rear wheels of some vehicles. Regular maintenance of the braking system is necessary to ensure safety. Worn brake pads can significantly reduce stopping power and should be replaced promptly to avoid damage to the rotors. Brake fluid plays a pivotal role in the braking system by transmitting the force from the brake pedal to the brake components. Ensuring the fluid is at proper levels is crucial for effective braking performance. Regular inspections of brake lines and connections are essential, as any leaks or blockages can compromise braking efficiency, making it crucial to identify issues early. Performing a brake fluid flush can help maintain hydraulic efficiency. Old fluid can absorb moisture over time, impacting the overall performance of the braking system. Many cars are equipped with a brake booster that uses engine vacuum to amplify the force applied to the brake pedal, making it much easier for drivers to slow down or stop their vehicles. Monitoring brake temperature during and after use is crucial, as overheating can lead to brake fade, while any illuminated warning lights on the dashboard should prompt immediate inspection of the braking system. Properly equipped workshops are essential for brake service, allowing technicians to efficiently perform repairs and ensure that all components function properly, maintaining vehicle safety. A well-maintained brake system is vital for safe driving in all conditions, especially when navigating steep hills, where control and stopping power are critically tested. The brake pad replacement process involves several critical steps, and keeping an inspection checklist helps ensure that nothing is overlooked during maintenance. Understanding how brake calipers engage with pads and rotors during braking is essential for grasping the mechanics of the system, while effective communication between mechanics and car owners fosters trust in vehicle maintenance. Testing the effectiveness of the brake system is crucial for ensuring safety, as assessing stopping distance and performance metrics helps identify any potential issues before they become critical. Installing new brake rotors requires meticulous attention to detail. Understanding safe braking techniques is equally essential for drivers to maintain control and ensure their safety on the road. Familiarity with the braking system's schematic helps in understanding how each part contributes to overall performance, while conducting pre-drive safety checks can prevent potential brake failures.